In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your HUD here in War Thunder. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now start off in the hangar or the main menu section right here, and once you're in this section, you need to go ahead and go to your controls. So click on the three little lines up in the top right and then go into controls, and in here you need to stay in the common section. So go over to the comment section. It's going to look something like this, and then what I'd recommend doing is just either looking for hideout on here, or what you can also do is just search for it specifically, but you're going to see your keybind for it. Now, essentially, what you want to do is, once you're in a match, hit this keybind. So mine is Alt-NZ. This is the standard keybind. As soon as you do that, that'll toggle your HUD on or off depending on whatever it's on currently. But that is it. That's literally all you need to do. Just hit this keybind and you'll be good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.